Hello and welcome. My name is Janine Cummings, and this is the Divine Nurture channel. All right, we're going to do a song called Lift My Heart in Praise. It's a great song to sing early in the morning. That happens to be the first line. Okay, see what you think. Early in the morning, when I rise, I lift my hands in praise because I'm alive. And late at night, when I lay down, I lift my heart in praise for the love I found. And I sing, ooh, 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 for the love I found. Let's do it again. Early in the morning, when I rise, I lift my hands in praise because I'm alive and it feels good. Late at night, when I lay down, I lift my heart in praise for the love I found. And I sing, ooh, 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 for the love I found. Smile when you sing it. Early in the morning, when I rise, feel it in your body, I lift my hands in praise because I'm alive. And late at night, when I lay down, I lift my heart in praise for the love I found. And I sing, ooh, 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 for the love I found, for the love I found, for the love I found. And what do we do with all of that love that we're creating within? We share it. Not a day goes by that we don't share it. It's what living is all about. All right, let's place a hand on our heart and just pat, nice and soft. I want you to connect with that beautiful, vibrant, healthy body of yours. It's miraculous. And together we say, I love you. Oh, I love you.